Today we're going to be reviewing part number BUL23CB. This is the LED backup light. It's going to be a white light with a clear lens from Optronics. It's going to be a clear 4-inch round backup light. It does meet Department of Transportation requirements in any 360-degree position. This is going to be a great replacement for incandescent lights. You don't have to worry about replacing any bulbs, and you don't have to worry about any brittle filaments. It's going to feature a crystal clear lens, as well as a sealed housing and a lens unit. Now this is a grommet mount. The grommet is going to be sold separately with part number A45GB. You can find that right here at etrailer.com. It's going to feature 20 clear LEDs, and here on the back you're going to see that it's going to have a 3-prong plug, but it only uses one function, which is going to be the reverse light function. So it needs a ground connection and then the reverse light function as well. And so this is designed to accept your industry standard 2-prong plug. Don't let that confuse you. Even though it has a 3-prong connection, it only requires a 2-prong plug. Now Optronics, they put the same housing and the same connection point on all of their 4-inch round lights. So that's why it has the 3-prong footprint. But again, it's only going to use 2 of the prongs, and then the 3rd prong will be covered up to keep out any dirt and grime, and it'll still resist corrosion, especially with that dielectric grease already in the connection point. So it will accept your industry standard 2-prong plug that is going to be sold separately with part number A45CB for your straight 2-wire plug, or part number A49PB for your right angle 2-wire plug. The overall diameter is going to give us a measurement of 4 5/16 of an inch, and then it's going to give us an overall depth of 2 inches. The light is going to draw 0.382 amps at 12.8 volts, and again, it is DOT approved. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to the external power source. That way you can see what it looks like with the power running to it and with our overhead lights turned off. So here's our 2-prong plug. It's going to fit directly into the connections here on the back of the housing. Once it's fully seated, you can see that it covers up the 3rd connection point that's not used, and it's going to keep any dirt or grime from being able to get in there. So you can see here that when the reverse light is activated, it's going to send out a nice clear LED signal. Again, this is going to contain 20 LEDs, and it's got the nice white light with that crystal clear lens, allowing a lot of light to come through. That's going to do it for today's review of part number BUL23CB. This is the LED backup light from Optronics.